How to buy stocks or securities on Charles Schwab trading platform. First, fund your account. In the last video, I showed you how to transfer funds in the Charles Schwab account. First of all, research the stocks you want to buy and decide how many shares to buy. The best way is to research the companies you already know from your experiences as a consumer. For buying stocks, go to the Trade tab and click on the Trade Stocks. For symbol lookup, you can Google the ticker symbol for this stock you want to buy. For example, here I am buying a Bionano stock. Ticker symbol or the stock symbol is an abbreviation that is used to uniquely identify publicly traded shares of a particular stock. Or you can simply enter the name of the company and in the keyword search you can find it. Once you enter it, a chart comes up which shows the stock price last traded at. Green shows the amount up from the yesterday. Days high and days low, as the name indicate, are the highest and the lowest price at which a stock traded during the course of the trading day. And this is the year high and low price. Now bid. Bid is always buyer's bid, and it is the price that buyers are willing to pay for the stock. And ask, it is the seller's ask, that is the price that sellers are willing to accept for the stock. And the difference is called the spread. Volume is the number of shares that are traded in a day. That is, this much number of shares are traded today. Now go to Action drop-down menu. There are 3 options: buy, sell and sell short. In this video, I'll show you how to buy a stock, so click buy. In quantity, I'm buying 1 stock of Bionano, so I'm writing 1. Now order type. In market order, buy at whatever the seller's price is. So this is the buying at market order when the exchange is open. It is a request to buy or sell a stock as soon as possible at the best available price. So this also clears out the timing zone. Now this gives you an estimated cost. Market order is kind of tricky as the stock price changes every second, and when you put an order at market order, it will execute the buy, and during that period, that is in seconds or milliseconds, the price gets changed and can be higher, so the order executed at the higher price. The better option is limit. When the stock price is low enough so that you can buy it, for example in this case, if the asking price of the sellers move down to the price you wanted to buy this stock, that is 2.9, then it will execute a buy. And in the timing, you have an option for day only, the purchase is good for a day only, or good until cancelled. So in limit, you can buy the stock at your maximum price. If the stock does not reach the price, the trade will not go through. In limit order, you guarantee the price, but you do not guarantee the execution. Now let's go back to the market order and buy the stock. There is an option for reinvest dividends. A dividend is a distribution of profits by a corporation to its shareholders. It means the cash pays out to shareholders in the form of dividend will be automatically used to repurchase more shares of the same stock. Most long-term buy and hold investors choose to automatically reinvest dividends in order to take advantage of compound growth. Review the order. Under estimated commission, it is $0 for Charles Schwab, and this is the perk of trading on Charles Schwab. If everything looks fine, then just place the order. and here you are done.